Hello, good afternoon. Myself, Mr. Bhagwat Rashinkar, late Abasep Kakde College, Budhegaon. I discuss in geography, especially economic geography. Economic geography is the study of how people earn their living, how livelihood system vary by area, and how economic activities are specially interrelated and linked. Factors that control distribution of economic activities. First one is the physical environment. Many production activities are rooted in the limits set by the physical environment. For example, lodging is only possible in forested region. The unequal distribution of minerals makes many meaning mining only possible in area where specific minerals occur. Second one is cultural consideration. Economic activity or production of specific goods is sometimes dictated by cultural consideration. For example, culturally based food preference rather than environmental limitations. Many dictate the choice of the crops or livestock farm. Maize is preferred grain in Africa, rice in Asia, and wheat for North America. Pigs are not reared in Muslim countries. Third one is technological advancement. The technological advancement of a group of people affects their ability to recognize resources and exploit them. Highly advanced technologies make possible farming in dry area such as deserts. Fourth one, political decisions made by a country's ruler, congressmen, and leaders. Many causes some economic activities to be located in certain areas. The government can influence such locations through subsidies, subsidies, taxes, and protective tariffs. Fifth one, economic factors. The demand for certain goods may attract capital and entrepreneurship and stimulate production for the goods in specific regions. Categories of economic activities. Primary economic activities. These economic activities are directly tied to the extraction resources of the earth. Such economic activities occur at the beginning of the production cycle where people live in close contact with the resources of the land. Such primary economic activities produce basic food, stuff, and raw materials for industry, and many include agriculture, hunting, gathering, pastoral farming, crop cultivation, forestry, mining, lodging, and fishing. Second, economic activities. These economic activities add value to the raw materials by changing their form or combining them into useful and hence more valuable commodity. Examples are steel making form a combination of minerals, mic production from pastoral farming, textile production from cotton farming, furniture production from lodging, etc. Manufacturing and processing industries are included in this phase of the production process. Third one, tertiary economic activities. It consists of those business and labor specialization that provide services to the general community. They include professionals such as teachers and professors, lawyers, medical officers, clerical and personal services. Others include professions such as postal services and music. Fourth one, quaternary economic activities. Such economic activities composed entirely of services rendered by white collar professionals working on management and information processing and disseminating. Thank you.